The Virginia 16-foot, two-story building from Best Barnes is a great do-it-yourself garage kit. Available in 20, 24, 28, and 32-foot lengths, it has plenty of room for your car, tools, and additional storage. The included carriage-style doors open outward for an 8 feet wide by 7 feet high entryway. Windows can be installed in any location desired. Stairs can be oriented to either the left corner or right corner opposite of the doors. The second floor features a clear-span 2x6 truss design, giving you plenty of room for additional storage or work area. Headroom at center is 7 feet 1 inch and 5 feet 9 inches at the truss knee. You may choose to install windows on either gable end. Best Barnes recommends installing railings as appropriate for your needs. The Virginia can be insulated and interior finished for better heating and cooling. Thank you for your consideration of our Best Barnes DIY storage and garage kits.